Okay, let's go to my phone, go to the Wemo app, and there's the garage door. It's triggered. And now I've opened the garage door, and there's my alert, garage door open. And now, let me see, sensor not triggered, which means the sensor is not active. And then we'll close the garage door, and that will eventually send to sensor triggered when the contacts have closed. There, sensor triggered means the contact is being made. The Wemo Maker package includes the Wemo Maker itself, the large white unit with the power button on the front, a USB AC adapter, and a USB cable. This is the garage door contact. It's wired in here, like so. There's a space you can't see back here. This was just screwed to the garage door, like so. And this, when together, is considered triggered on the Wemo. This is the back of the garage door. These two contacts right here is the garage door trigger. So like a bunch of remotes throughout the house and connected to the Wemo. This is the Wemo, just quickly zip tied to the top of my garage door opener. This is a very old one. It's a USB plug into the wall where the garage door normally gets plugged into. Here's a look at the Wemo from the other side. I'll bring up a graphic to show you what is done here. Okay, so what we're looking at is the back of the Wemo. Far left is the micro USB that gets plugged into the AC outlet where your garage door would be plugged in. The first two conductor, that goes to any remote control, or in this case, the Wemo. And the last three, I've simply connected it negative in signal, and that is the sensor. That detects the magnetic sensor on top of the door that I showed you earlier. Okay, looking at the Wemo app and setting up, these are all my Wemo devices. There's garage door, which is the Wemo Maker under devices. In setting it up, edit. And I simply gave my Wemo Maker a name called garage door. Google a picture of a white door. The switch type is momentary because it's simply a push, and that's it. And the sensor, I said yes, we do have a sensor because that is the magnetic contacts that I installed above the garage door. I've told it that sensor triggered means that the contacts are triggered, which means in contact with each other, and not triggered would tell me that the garage door is open. You can reverse that and say sensor triggered means door open. It's up to you.